How to add a credit card on OnlyFans. The first things first is you just gotta pull up any preferred web browser that you can use, and you could also do this from your phone. So the process is actually the same. And once you're here, make sure that you log into your account. And once you're on your home page, you will be seeing options on the left portion below your profile picture. Then just head directly to Add Card. Now all you have to do is get your card ready, and you just have to fill out these forms like your country, your state, the address, the city, the code, and as well as your email address associated with your OnlyFans account. Now you also need to input the name printed on the card that you will use, and as well as your card number, the expiration date of the card that you will be using, and then your card's CVV code. Now once everything is set up, all you have to do is to tick this to confirm that you are at least 18 years old and the age of majority in your place of residence. Just tick this one, hit on submit, and once you successfully set it up, if you would like to add another card, then go back to this page and choose on add a payment card. So that's it. That's how you add a credit card on OnlyFans.